We were sent this light up basketball. This is what it looks like inside the box. And then you get the basketball that is deflated. Feels like a regular basketball. Has a little pull tab here. You will pull those. The batteries are already in there. So it already comes with the batteries, and then it gives you extra batteries. And now let's put it together and watch it glow.
I have my pump here. I always lubricate the needle so that it goes in properly. Because this pump is so small, it might take a little bit of time, but the pump does not come with a ball. If you have a bicycle pump, it'll work out really well and usually has a lot more volume, so it goes faster.
Okay, you ready to see it glow?
Yeah.
All right, you guys ready? There's 2 little tabs on it. Can you find the tabs?
It might be a little tough to get it out, but it's just there to keep the batteries separated so that they don't get used. There we go. And once you pull it out, this here, you just need to push the cover back in a little bit. Get it to reseat itself. There you go. Now it's seated. And then there's another one on this side. And you go through and do the same thing. Pull it out.
What's really cool about this basketball as well is that it is bounce activated and it has an auto shut off. So we didn't bounce it for a little bit. It's turned off. 1 bounce and it's glowing again.